If you're dealing with the friend of the court, I want you to hear this. Most fathers don't struggle in court because they don't care. They struggle because they don't have a plan. Every week we see fathers overwhelmed by paperwork and court dates. They're reacting instead of preparing. They're filing forms without understanding the FOC process. They're guessing what is the next process. But here's the truth. The friend of the court looks at more than just forms. The court looks at preparation, organization, and timing. That's where Friends of Fathers Plan of Action can help you. Our plan of action, or what we call POLA, is our simple 1-2, 3-step system. It shows you what motion to file, what to say in your motion, how to file your motion, whether you're filing to modify child support, parenting time, custody, arrears, or back child support. The Plan of Action webinar helps you stop guessing, stop reacting emotionally, and start showing up prepared on paper and in court. That's exactly what we walk you through in our Plan of Action webinar workshop. If you're ready to stop reacting and start preparing, then join our 19th of March webinar workshop. Limited seats available, so sign up now. Click the link below to reserve your spot.